Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. What we have here is a Gainsborough Trilock, and I'm going to basically show you how to repair one. A lot of the time when parts break, you can't actually buy them. We do have one or two little parts for some Gainsborough locks which can help you can basically save you having to buy a whole new lock. One of them is the Gainsborough Trilock spring, which is responsible for making this latch on the side push out, and I'm going to show you how to replace it nice and easily. So this is the inside of the door here. What you need to do is come along to the side here and just undo these two screws like so and take this plate off. Once you take this plate off, you can put your key in and you can turn the bolt to the furthest position. Once it's at the furthest position, then you can get your fingers and just pull the bolt out. Alright, let's put the lock aside now. It's going to fall apart. Okay, so this little spring on the side here is responsible for making this pop out. Well, there we are there. It's responsible for that. So if you find yours is holding back and not coming all the way through, I would check this bolt first. It's only two screws to get this latch out and to check it. A lot of the time you'll find that this is cracked somewhere along the lines. So what we do is we take out our broken spring and we take our new spring. The link will be down in the description so you can order it. We put the little post all the way through it again, like so. Put it back into where it needs to go. And then we come back to our lock, which is here. So let's quickly put it back together. Okay, so there's our lock there, and we get our latch and we put it back in the same way that we took it out. We push it in like so, and then we rotate the key a couple of times until it picks it up. If it doesn't pick it up, make sure you're putting it in the right way. I'll show you one more time. As you can see here, there's the spring is on one side with a little bit of a cap on the top side. So have a look in the hole and see which way your T section is going. If you look at it like that, it looks like a T. So make sure you're putting it in the right way. Just put it in there like that once. So it kind of takes, rotate the key, and then check the spring-loaded functionality of that latch. That seems quite good. Then we come along with our faceplate. We put that on there and tighten up the two holes. This faceplate stops this latch from coming out because it has a smooth edge and a bit of a stop on one side. So you have to take this edge faceplate off. If you can see the bolt there, you see that flat edge? This holds that in place. So once you take that faceplate off, you can take that out and simply take out the latch, replace the spring, put it back in, and you'll get a few more years out of your Trilock without needing to do that again. So this little spring, although it's not a Gainsborough original part, we do sell them on our lock shop. It's called a Trilock spring, Trilock. Just go to our website, drlock.com.au, type in Trilock in the search, and you'll come up with this spring, and hopefully that might save your lock and save you having to purchase another $250 lock over a little spring. Okay, thanks for watching.